Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one. From here, navigate to Fix and Manage, but before I do so, I am going to quickly talk about this option right here. So right now it's trying to pull contacts from the device because there is no Google account signed in. By default, it would go to Google account if there is one. And in addition, once we're going to be importing contacts, that would also be your default location that the device selects when importing contacts. But for me, it's going to be the device because there's no other option. Anyway, let's select Fix and Manage and then select Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and in my case it's going to automatically import them to the device. Now if you had that Google account, it would be visible under the Manage SIM as a drop-down menu, allowing you to import those contacts to the Google account or the device. And in addition, if you see some contacts that are already deselected and grayed out, don't worry, the device is trying to prevent you from importing duplicate contacts. So that's why these would be deselected and grayed out. Anyway, once you have everything selected that you want to import, click on the button to do so. This will show you how many contacts have been imported, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should see them on your device. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.